Hi guys, this is me Simran Khairnar back again with you all today. As you can see, I'm up with this look today. Continue watching to know how I created this look. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe, hit the bell button and then get back to the video to continue with it. So I applied the Good Vibes toner. Now I'm applying the Krylon's orange corrector, as there is like a little bit of darkening on my eyelids as well. So next up I'm using the Revolution eye palette. I have showed all the products and I have given all the details in the description box as well as on the screen. Blending plays a major role, as you have seen in my previous videos. ये मैं काफ़ी बारी बोलती रहती हूँ, and as you can see I did my both the eyes. Now I'm cutting my crease. Cut as in I am adding a little bit of concealer and I'm just giving it a nice shape to add more colors to the look. And then you can follow the steps as I'm doing, and that's how I like to create my eyeshadows, and I'm going really slowly and you need to be really patient with it. Next up I have picked the green color from the same palette, just adding it in my inner corners. I'm going to create a nice traditional kind of a look which you can opt for any wedding or any other function. Also remember, while you're adding eyeshadows, don't just mix them directly. Always opt in a dabbing motion, so later it's easier for you to blend them. And as you can see, now I've taken another shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to add a purple tone to my crease to give it a nice depth effect as well. I'm just moving ahead by giving it nice depth. See, make sure that you are good with blending. Keep practicing. Blending plays a major role when you're doing your eyeshadow or your base makeup, so that will help you give good and really amazing look. Now I've picked a shimmer color. I'm just dabbing it out in like mostly on the outer area to give a nice shine, and it gives a really good effect. Try doing that to your eyeshadows, may it be bicolor or tricolor. It will look really nice, and this just gives a nice pop to your eyeshadow. I love doing this in mostly all my traditional attires. As you can see, I've taken the Faces highlighter palette. I am highlighting my brow bone, and later I'll be using the same palette for my bronzing and blush as well. Next up I'm going with the gel liner, and I'm just going to create a thin eyeliner for this look because I want to showcase more of my eyeshadow and eye makeup that I've done. I'm not going to do too much to my eyes with the liner and all those things. I'm just going to add the lashes as well to this look. Make sure you practice adding lashes, and that will help you quite a lot to give an enhanced look. Moving on to the base makeup, I'm just concealing and correcting my under eyes and my cheeks. As you can see, there is a acne mark there. I'm just going to cover all my darker areas on my face with the concealer and corrector, and I'm just going to blend it out really well with a beauty blender. After which I'm just going to go up with my PAC HD foundation and setting it with a translucent powder. Now I'm just bronzing my cheeks and my nose and adding a little bit of blush. You can work on it. Keep practicing your blending techniques and how to pick shades properly. Next up, I'm going with lip liner, which is from Miss Claire brand. All the details are going to be on the screen for you as well as in the description box if you want to purchase it. I am opting for the Maybelline liquid lipstick as well, and after which I also opted for a darker shade just to give a nice ombre effect. I forgot to film that, so sorry for it. As you can see in this video, in this clip right here, I'm just highlighting my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose, and in this you can see my lip color has changed in a bit, and I added a small bindi to complete my Indian look. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting all this while, and I hope you guys are liking the videos. Do let me know in the comment section. Take care.